some of our foundations that isn't working for us anymore. Some of the paths that some of us are on isn't working anymore, and we can feel lost. This is why I was led to do this. Hello, beautiful creatures. Welcome to my channel. I am Aradia, the Witch of Dark Light, and I hope you all are doing well. I wanted to make this video to share with you something that you can do to kind of raise your spirit, awaken your spirit when you are feeling depressed. I've done this before on this channel in another video, but I wanted to share with you this right now because of the time of the year that we are in. We are going into the shadows, into the darker part of the year. So I wanted to share with you lovelies just a little magic. So I have here my higher self candle, a candle to represent my connection. And what I'm going to be doing is starting out by vibrating the word which is for the heart. Yeah, so I'm going to start out by chanting the word and then whatever my intuition tells me, whatever I'm guided, whatever flows. And another reason why I wanted to do this is because a lot of times we ask ourselves, why is my magic working? Why can I tap in to the astral? Why can I reach my higher self? Why? And if you can't take the time to sit and speak aloud, vibrate words, chant, because this is all a part of magic. And this helps you to get into like a state of awareness, a state of being, a mystical state, a state to connect to the otherworldly things. So this technique may seem simple or may seem funny to some, but think about it. If you can take the time, and it can only be a couple of minutes, to sit and be okay with chanting words aloud and not afraid of someone hearing you, this is your first one of the tools that you can use to help yourself manifest magic. So I just want to share this with you. And so the next part of this video will be me going into meditation, chanting some words, vibrating some words. And we're going to start out, like I said, with I'm going to chant that and then just flow with it. So let me just get myself a little more comfortable. And, I have my candle going here, and I have my incense of the gods that I will be lighting. So let's start that off, and I'll probably cue a little music. I call to my ancestors, spirits, and gods. You are welcome in this space. I pray for the eyes to see and the ears to hear the messages you send. Open up our hearts to receive the messages that you send. So I keep hearing these are the things that moves mountains. These energies that shakes up the ground. As I vibrated, I saw like the earth shaking, like an earthquake. And when you do things like this, it shakes up the very foundation of those things that keep you bound. It shakes all that up because, like right now, I feel my body vibrating, and you could feel the energy shift. So I just wanted to share that with you, and hope that it can help somebody that might want to do something like this, because it works. It really works. I'm telling you, the message began to come, and the visuals begin to come. Seeing the ground shake up, some of our foundations that isn't working for us anymore. Some of the paths that some of us are on isn't working anymore, and we can feel lost. This is why I was led to do this. And when you do things like this, you shift your frequency, and some of us resonate with a certain frequency for a long period of time, because this is the vibration that we have accumulated, and we tuned our frequency to that channel, if you will. So if we want to change things, shift things, we got to manipulate that channel. We got to tune that channel. So doing things like this is just one of the tools that you can use, but doing things like this shakes the very core of that frequency, and it begins, it's a slight change the first time you do it, but it begins to change that channel to develop a whole new frequency for you to resonate on, and for new channels to be open. Because right now, if you're not resonating at the right frequency for the things that you are wanting to happen in your life, it's kind of difficult for them to come. So adjusting your frequency is definitely something to want to do when you are working within the realms of spirituality. So if you have any questions, let me know. I hope this helped. So until the next video, I love you all, and into the shadows.